Bakwa Ayana managing home watching those processes. The question of Ebanisina Cloud be say Real Madrid Barcelona mo so engulfed in a political framework. But who say affect you when it comes to getting the job done. I feel probably there's a difference between Bruni and Bibini.
Yeah,
they understand the times
and even fight against the team
because Kotokomboa open sona a board. Oh yeah, you can't second guess him. Crano, you could see say there are a lot of times other interests opposition etimidi team ninya. Look at House of Folk. They have a majority shareholder now who is supposed to be the final say of BBA. But look at interest and Noma Biblia Kutia Club when it comes to a more administrative structure. But Rich, there are clubs that go for voting. Oh, yeah, campaign, we cassetia way, midway beba. And kind of normal circumstances and care to about because there will be another voting in the next 4 years. And you should clearly see an opposition now. Need the answer to be an or two war and can affect the club no. But you don't see that. You don't see that. Look, you have to about Enrico requirements so better in Kabiemwa. Now there's a scandal be baby. You will never hear say or permanent obstruction to Florentino Pérez in the rain our Barbados. Until that, I'm not funny. They are refined people. No, Bruni a refined person. When say nipa 100,000, and I never post in my house almost 12. This current post postal vote of over 1,000. You declare no invalid. Florentino Pérez overcome appeal even after winning 65% of the votes. And see, I'm not for special. Number 2, Rich. That kind of structure no matter no club no. F too much. Imagine if Kotoko has had the privilege to every 4 years go vote for Nipakop or president of the club.
Card-bearing members.
Yes. Look, just imagine that. How involving who support and in choosing who leads the club. I want to me say nipa kono ba na wa anye de o kan so be na obetimi yi na fru odo be fufru aba. It is so beautiful. The chato in 20 years na Real Madrid into abano. Simply because the original president the call no post. I think so Florentino Pérez also who say or check and that he should start considering say Rich Enchebiano Obejai being Real Madrid's president or this 79 Enrique requirement obe contesting at the 37 very young guy but was say me who say no maybe nkoyi I want to stand and empower Obejina. Real Madrid enya club I got 2 seasons without a trophy. Say adiwe na ebesi mitri mo fe na mesre. Rich, imagine say enka Real Madrid ebia Ghana Football Association and Kotoko na has. And team na got 2 seasons without a trophy. But in the members na got 2 Obama president na odo mo got 2 seasons without a trophy. They say on 1 year pa. And can you say can and seven and can go for the car or more motor no? Oh my God, so we your boots like and I say your tom and that's what we did. I didn't just I didn't go here. Man because of the Ayala Real Madrid. The current situation is we got 2 seasons without a trophy. Real Madrid is in crisis, but they've gone vote for the same person because they believe he can fix the problem. Eti enye time biana when you think say institution be a leader even in failure here. I just say at all man they are blind in tina omudi ade enechi. They believe said there is something in this guy. Christ is not a woman, he can take us out of it. Look, me Barcelona through and through. Real Madrid Utie Florentino Pérez just after the winning now. Or say the journey to win almost 16th Champions League has started because you are 2 abana man every year. Already or the Dumfries eba, you just or the Konate eba, he is fixing a lot of things. Or the Jose Mourinho aba. Jose Mourinho bana wabano. Me sure say he came in for a very, very long-term project. He came in to fix the Real Madrid team as a whole here. Yeah, this uncommon way that Makacho what Florentino Pérez ehun Jose Moa or Gidi say impempraying or share or Real Madrid as a team in he knows what is happening and will dress him watching in. So if he says, look, among all the coaches I ever available to me, the Real Madrid job is the most lucrative job for any coach. We are saying among them, me from see obi abe pressure ba be adwuma no. Me Gidi say me share the course Real Madrid dem hona. Jose a bit my solve this problem now, mame. Now, there's a difference. Is Jose coming to solve the problem of the culture of the team, or Florentino Pérez in him say he can add trophies and performance to it? History never change. Yeah. But for me, I think say the concentration of Jose's appointment, is more to restore Real Madrid culture, than the performance on the pitch. And see, Wabano. Ne respect he walks into the dressing room obia buno obia will accord him the respect obia beba former man and he may have a stable dressing room according to Florentino Pérez. That is all that they need. It will translate onto the pitch. Okay. Because our Vinicius, our Mbappe, our
game changers,
our Bellingham, our Wemua, the team should be focused, succumb to one voice who is a leader, and probably the rest of the Norman will be fixed. Correlations to him was always going to win, and Real Madrid supporters, have made an emphatic statement. Say on one or more, even though a Norman Rich.
4 days na World Cup no shase